Hi, Mike Wilkinson, the value sales expert here again, and looking at the third element of the PTS model, the process, tools, and skills model. And today I just want to take a look at some of the skills that you will need to make the process and the tools work effectively for you. Now, I recognize that there are just loads and loads of competencies around looking at sales and the core elements of sales. Objective Management Group, for example, have 21 core competencies that they look at. And I don't mean to exclude any when I focus for myself on just 3 key skills that are absolutely essential. If you believe, like I do, that the value discovery element of the sales process is simply the most important, and if you get that right, everything else will begin to fall into place, then the 3 skills to make that happen are the ability to ask great questions, to listen well, and to summarize effectively. What we're going to be doing on that value discovery is to take the customer on a value journey, to have I say a conversation, but I think it's more than that. It's about having a chat. It's about feeling comfortable sitting down opposite your customer, your clients, and having a conversation with them about what is important from their perspective. The focus is absolutely on customer. It is not on you. Therefore, the ability to ask great questions so that you're steering the conversation in a sensible direction, your ability to listen intently and effectively, and then to be able to summarize is all important. At the end of value discovery, the summary that you are going to do of your understanding of the things that are important to your customer and the impact of failing to address those things on the customer and their business, looked at through the lens of the value triad, revenue gain, cost reduction, and emotional contribution, are going to be so important. So for me, the key skills of the PTS model are questioning, listening, summarizing. That does not mean that all the others are not important. Planning, preparing, negotiating, having commercial acumen, being comfortable talking about price, all of those things are still important. But QLS is really the winner for me. Anyway, if you'd like to know more about it, please feel free to get in touch. Do click on the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.